Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. I am Raji Ramakrishnan. Today I am going to make jackfruit seed vada. For that I have taken 3/4 cup of jackfruits. This I have pressure cooked and kept it here. Now to add in that, this we will grind it in the mixer, and we have to add 2 teaspoon of besan, that is gram flour I have taken, 2 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, then quarter teaspoon hing powder, salt as required, and this is sesame seed, white sesame seed I have taken 1 teaspoon, chopped onion 1, and few coriander leaves chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic chili paste, green chili paste. Now we will grind this in the mixer. I have put this in the mixing bowl. Now we will add the onion, coriander and the ginger garlic chili paste also in this, and we'll give this a good mix. Now I have mixed this well, and apply little oil on your palm, roll out this and make a vada form. This you can shallow fry or deep fry as you wish. See here. Actually we have to grind it little coarsely. Some people grind the jackfruit seed raw and make the vada, but I don't prefer that because inside it will not get cooked properly, I feel. So I haven't tried that. If you want, you can put hole in the middle. And I have kept oil for heating up. So I have prepared the vada and kept it here. You can put whole or without whole also you can make this, and you can shallow fry or deep fry as you wish. Let us check whether the oil is hot. It's not hot, so we'll have to wait. Heat the oil, add the vadas inside the hot oil, then you reduce the flame. We'll drop the vada in the oil. One batch I have already fried and kept. It will be crispy from outside and soft from inside. Actually we have to grind this jackfruit seeds little bit coarsely. This has become very soft. In the pulse mode you have to grind it little by little, don't put everything together at one time, and put little few of them, and then grind it coarsely, then add all the other ingredients and make the vada. Now I have made it very little thick. Now I am preparing this very thin. Like this you make it very thin also, and fry them. Now this is fried nicely. We'll take it out. We'll put the thin one. I'm frying it in low flame. The jackfruit seed vadas are ready here to serve. See, it is crispy from outside and soft from inside. Nicely cooked. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. Take care of your health.